In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse X and Y axis in AutoCAD. If your drawing feels rotated, or the positive directions don't line up with how you want to work, adjusting the user coordinate system, often called the UCS, is the cleanest way to fix it. This won't move or change your geometry. It simply changes how AutoCAD defines left, right, up, and down on your screen, along with the coordinate readouts. Let's walk through it together. First, click into your drawing area and make sure your command line is visible so you can see prompts. Type UCS and press Enter. UCS is the tool that sets the orientation of your X, Y, and Z axes. Think of it as rotating your work surface, rather than rotating your actual objects. Next, tell AutoCAD you want to rotate the UCS within the current plane. Do that by choosing the Z-axis option, type Z. Then press Enter. Selecting Z means you are going to spin the coordinate system around the vertical axis that points out of your screen, which is exactly what we want when we're reworking in plan or a 2D view. Now enter the rotation angle. If your goal is to flip the direction of both the X and Y axes, so positive becomes negative and vice versa, type 180 and press Enter. This keeps the axes in the same locations but reverses their positive directions, which is handy when everything feels backwards. If instead you want to rotate the axis so what was previously X lines up with Y and vice versa, use a quarter turn. Type 90 to rotate counterclockwise, or type -90 to rotate clockwise. Then press Enter. Both options rotate the coordinate system through a right angle. Choose the direction that matches how you want your crosshairs and coordinate readouts to behave. As soon as you confirm the angle, look to the UCS icon in the corner of your drawing area. It will update immediately to show the new orientation, with the X and Y arrows pointing in their new directions. You will also notice your crosshair aligns with that orientation, and any coordinates you read will follow the new system. Again, your objects haven't changed, only the reference frame you are working in. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.